how to fix PS5 error code CE-108. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix PS5 error code CE-108, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you could be having the error code CE-1082551, and if you're experiencing this issue, consider potentially updating your PS5 system software to try to resolve the issue. So just go to settings and then just go to this option called system and go to system software. Try to check if there is any sort of update available, and if it does, then basically make sure to just update it to the latest version. You can just try to update using the internet or whatever else you actually prefer over here. After you've done this, select the gear icon and then just go to system option, and after that you also want to make sure that your network connection is working just fine. If it's working fine, the another solution here is just simply go to storage and just try to go ahead and free up some storage on the PS5 console. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem, and if it did help solve the problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.